Hello, bonjour, welcome to my channel. I'm Cécile, a French artist, and this is my first video in my gouache tip series. This time I explain you why and how you should erase your drawing before painting. Don't forget to subscribe for more gouache tips. See you soon! When I draw a portrait for a gouache painting, I will first make a rough sketch with 2H. And when I'm confident with my sketch that it's accurate, I will take HB, and really what is important is to have a very well sharpened pencil. And now I will go on top of it and be more precise with the drawing. I have the reference photo in front of me, and I will give more details now that I'm sure that everything is really set in the right place. And once it's done, before painting, I will grab a kneadable eraser. This is important because this will be skin tones, and it's, even if gouache is opaque, it will be visible. So maybe you like having your sketches visible behind your gouache. I prefer to remove a bit the excess graphite. So either you tap, so you will lift up the charcoal or graphite, whatever you are using for drawing, or if you want to go faster, you can just roll it or even rub it. And this is what I do mainly. So I remove until I'm sure I have enough information visible for painting and not too dark so it's not visible under the painting. Hope this helps. See you soon for another gouache tip.